दिनै 30 सेप्तेम्बर बिस्तिबारखालि दिनैनि दिहुनजानाय सानसेयारि खौरांलाइफोरनि गाहाय रादाबफोरखौ फरायनो आखायाव लादों। दा गिबियाव आं फरायगोन सानसेयारि बड'लेण्ड इंखं। दा बे सानसेयारि बड'लेण्ड इंखंनि गिबि खौराङानो जाबाय बर' बिजोंनि जेंनाया दा जोबोद गाज्रि बुंदों थरेन बर'। बिटिआर गोरोबथानि गेजेरजों बर' रावा फोराव बाहायनाय जायाखै। फारसेथिं बर' बिजोंनि जेंना, बर' बिजोंखौ फोजौखांनो थाखाय जिबादि सुजुग सुबिदा मोननांगौमोन, फोरोंगिरि थिसनजानांगौमोन आरो गोजौ थाखोनि फराय बिजाब मोननांगौमोन, बेफोर मावफुंजायाखै। बेफोरजों लोगोसे फोरोंगिरि थिसननायाव खेलिमेलि जागासिनो दं होनना बर' थुनलाइ आफादनि मानगोनां थरेन बर' बिथाङा दुखु फोरमायो। बेफोरखौ नोजोर होनानै आसाम सरकारजों सावरायज्लायनानै जेंनाफोरखौ सुस्रांनो राहा लागासिनो दं आरो बावैसो सिगांबो सोलोंथाइ बिफाननि मन्थ्रि आरो प्रिन्सिपाल सेक्रेटारिखौ लोगो हमनानै सावरायज्लायनाय जादों आरो गिबि मन्थ्रिजोंबो सावरायज्लायदों होनना बिथाङा फोरमायबावो। दा बेखिनियानो। दा बिनि उनाव दं हाग्रामाया UPPL खौ मदद खालामोब्ला बरायगोन रनजित बसुमतारी। बेवहाय लिरदों हाग्रामा महिलारिया UPPL दोलोखौ मदद खालामोब्ला जों बरायगोन, नाथाय UPPL दोलोआ दासिमबो हाग्रामानिफ्राय मदद नागिराखै। बे बाथ्राखौ बुंदों बिटिसिनि हाग्रा बिफाननि मावफुं सोद्रोमा रनजित बसुमतारीया। बिसायख'थि आय'गआ उफेरा बिसायख'थिनि खालारखौ फोसावनायनि उनावनो बड'लेण्डआव बिसायख'थिनि बारा गोख्रोंसिन बारफिननो लादों। बेखौ लोब्बा लानानैनो रनजित बसुमतारीया हाग्रामा महिलारिखौ सावरायना बुंदों दि UPPLआ हाग्रामाजों गोरोबलायनायनि बाथ्रायानो फैया। अब्लाबो हाग्रामाया UPPL खौ मदद खालामोब्ला बरायगोन। दा बिनि उनाव दं तामुलपुराव बिजाथि मोननो BJP आरो UPPL दोलोआ सेलायलायदों। बिनि उनाव दं 19 अक्ट'बरनिफ्राय रायजोनि गासैबो स्कुल कलेजा खुलिफिनसिगोन। दा बिनि उनाव दं कमतापुर अट'नमास काउन्सिलाव थागोन गासै सा 30 सोद्रोमा, बिनिनो सा 11आ मावफुं सोद्रोमा हितेश्वर बर्मन। दा बे खौराङाव लिरदों कच राजबंशी माहारिनि गोलाव समनि दाबि कमतापुर दाबिखौ सोरखारा सुस्रांना होनायनि उनाव कच राजबंशी माहारिया आलादा गंसे गावखुंथाय परिषद कमतापुर अट'नमास काउन्सिल मोनफुंनो हाबाय। सोरखारा थांनाय रबिबाराव KAC नि चिफ गकुल बर्मनजों लोगोसे चेयारमेन हितेश्वर बर्मन आरो गासै 30 सोद्रोमाफोरखौ समायखिरा लाहोनायनि उनाव कमतापुर अट'नमास काउन्सिल ओनसोलाव रंजानायनि दोहौ फैदों। बेबायदिनो मैया मोनाबिलियाव क'क्राझार जिल्लानि कालीफुख्रियाव आख्रासुनि मावखुलियाव कच राजबंशी अट'नमास काउन्सिलनि चेयारमेन हितेश्वर बर्मनखौ आबिरनि गाबजों दुंब्रुयै बरायदों। ओनसोलनि थागिबि रायजो राजाफोरा आरो आख्रासुनि महिला आफादफोरा। खौरांगिरिनि सिगाङाव कमतापुर अट'नमास काउन्सिलनि चेयारमेन हितेश्वर बर्मनआ बुङो दि गोदानै दाफुंजानाय KACआव गासै सा 30 सोद्रोमा थागोन, बिनिनो सा 11आ मावफुं सोद्रोमा महरै थागोन। मोन 20 बियाबा राजबंशी माहारि रिजार्भ लोगोसे आइजोफोरनि थाखाय मोनबा खथा थागोन, मोनबा अपेन थागोन होननानै रोखा बुंथियो। दा बेनोसै। बिनि उनाव दङ बक'आव गिख्रंथाव लामा जाब्रबथायजों सानै सुबुंनि जिउ खहा। दा बिनि उनाव दं मोननै पेपार मिलनि थाखाय रायजो सोरखारा 570 कौटि रां होगोन। दा बिनि उनाव दं धेमाजिनि केबिनेट मेलाव बाहागो लागोन मन्थ्रिफोरा फरायसालि HDC अफिस देहा फाहामसालिफोराव हाबना खौरां लानांगोन। दा सानसेयारि बड'लेण्ड इंखंनि गाहाय खौराङा बेखिनियानोसै। दा बिनि उनाव आं फरायनो आखायाव लादों दा बड'लेण्ड एक्सप्रेस। बे दा बड'लेण्ड एक्सप्रेसनि गिबि खौराङावनो दं गभर्नमेन्ट टु रिजल्भ salary issue of HPCL employees Assam CM. In a massive relief to the employees of Hindustan Paper Corporation Limited, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that government will resolve the pending salary issue and other dues. The decision was taken during a meeting chaired by CM Sarma in the wee hours of Wednesday after a 4-hour-long discussion. Talking to Twitter, the minister announced finally reached agreement with the workers and employees of Hindustan Paper Corporation to resolve long-pending issue of their salaries and dues. दा उननि खौराङाव दं 12 United Liberation of Bodoland cadres surrender. A total of 12 cadres of the newly formed insurgent group United Liberation of Bodoland surrendered with a case of arms on Wednesday in Udalguri, surrendering near the India-Bhutan border in the BTAD district. The cadre were brought to Dimakusi police station for completing necessary formalities. Reports have mentioned Special Director General of Police cum IGP L.R. Bisnoy claimed that all members of the outfit have surrendered along with their self-styled Kokrajhar district commander-in-chief Pinijit. They also deposited all the arms they carry. The police had earlier arrested 12 cadres of the outfit, and 2 ULB insurgents had died in an encounter. Bisnoy 8. दा बे दा उननि खौराङाव दं दा उननि खौराङाव APSC case for job scam hearing for framing of SARS in October. दा बेयाव लिरदों Special Court has fixed October 25 as the date to start hearing for framing of charges upon the accused person in the state's case for job scam of Assam Public Service Commission. Wednesday, state police submitting the final report in the case have served the copy of the report to some 70 accused named in the charge sheet. Many of them were out on bail now. Police have also furnished all its evidence before the court. Police sources add that they would summon over 20 more persons in connection to the case for job scam solely, and the investigation into the case has been ongoing. The investigation lasts for almost 5 years. Earlier, the police had submitted at least 10 charge sheets in the court in the case. दा बेनो बेखिनियानो दा बिनि उनाव दं gold worth raised 42 lakh seized from inside men's rectum all at Imphal. दा बेयाव लिरदों in a major success, gold fast weighing around 900 gram and value at approximately raised 42 lakh was seized from a passenger at the Imphal airport on Monday. The CISF said in a release the seizure was made after CISF Sub-Inspector B. Delhi noticed the presence of metal inside the rectal activity of a passenger, will frisking him at the airport. Officials then took him to the medical examination room for an X-ray of his lower body. 4 packets of yellow metal fast, weighing about 909.68 gram, were recovered from his body. The passenger, identified as Mohammad Sharif, is a resident of Kozhikode in Kerala, was immediately held. He was scheduled to fly from Imphal to Delhi at 2:40 p.m. Later, he was handed over to the Custom Department. The video now on Guwahati HC give library liberty to students to approach Seva for holding comportmental examination. Double it down. The Guwahati High Court has given liberty to students to approach Seva for holding compartmental examination in respect of the subjects in which they have failed in the special assessment. An order was passed by the Guwahati High Court in the PIL case No. 47 2021 regarding holding of compartmental examination by Seva as had done in the past, only in respect of the failed student as per the policy of the Board of Secondary Education, Assam. As per the policy of Seva, the compartmental examination of HSLC AHM examination was held in the past for those candidates who could not come to out successful in SSLC and AHM examination but failed maximum in 3 subjects and obtained 170 marks in aggregate. They were eligible to appear in the compartment examination only once as a single chance. The candidates appearing in compartmental examination has to score 30% and above marks in the subjects appear, and his total marks must be 180 to come out successful. Meanwhile, the High Court in the order has mentioned that Seva has to decide sympathetically for holding the compartmental examination. Thus, keeping in view of the order of the High Court, the Board of Secondary Education, Assam, contemplating to start the process of conducting the compartmental examination as per the court's order after the declaration of the result of the special examination to be held from October 1 to October 11, 2021. On a suitable date on receipt of proper applications from the willing students who fail in examination 3 subjects and score minimum 170 marks in aggregate in the result published on HSLC and AHM examination 2021 through the head of the institute. The begin and say the video drugs, psychotropic substance were report for 80 lakh destroy in Morigaon. Moving ahead with the Assam government's policy of zero tolerance against drugs and narcotic substance, the Morigaon administration banned drugs worth 4 crore 80 lakh on Wednesday. The drug disposal committee disposed of the seized drugs and psychotropic substance of 105 cases after observing necessary legal formalities. State GP Singh special GDP law and order through a tweet. The last destruction of drugs took place in 2016. The seized properties of 107 cases. Thereafter, that include ganja around 198 kilos, heroin 516 grams, brown sugar around 212 grams, around 83,000 tablets and 6,300 cough syrup bottles are being disposed of today. The total commercial value would be around 5 crores. Informed Morigaon Superintendent of Police Aparna Natarajan. As you can see, our war against drugs is ongoing at full swing. This exercise of the destruction of drugs in public is to give a message that drugs are bad for the society. And this is also a message to drugs traffickers, peddlers, that we will have to eradicate this from our society. And the Assam police officer. The दिनैनि रादाब फरायथिनाया एसेनोसै। गोजोन्थों।